Hi friends, welcome back to my happy home. I'm so happy you stopped by. You guys, I am so excited for today's video because it is my first time participating in the Look for Less challenge that is hosted monthly by Yami from the Latina Next Door. And this challenge is a DIY, so if you want to see what I'm going to make out of this cardboard, then keep on watching. Welcome to my happy home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe. And this is the piece that I'm going to be recreating for this Look for Less. And the story behind this, I've been wanting a piece of wall art for quite a long time now, and I've been searching the internet, getting some inspiration, and there are a lot of beautiful items out there, but I really don't know what to go with. So when I came across this one, I thought, you know what, why not try to recreate the look of it? I didn't want to try to duplicate it one-on-one, just recreate the look of it, the size of it, just to see if it is something that would go in my space and in my decor. So that is the reason why I'm trying to create this Look for Less. And that is also my tip to you. If you find something that you like that is a bit larger to just buy and bring back, if you don't like it, just try to recreate it and see how it looks in your space before you try to purchase it. Okay, before we dive into this DIY, I want to take this time to thank Yami for hosting this wonderful challenge. And I don't know on which rock I've been living, but I am so happy to be able to join her on this monthly Look for Less challenge. Now, enough talking, let's continue with this DIY. Now that I have all the pieces cut out, I am ready to start putting it together, and I am just trying to recreate the look, not trying to duplicate it, because I just want to have a piece to hang on my wall to see how it looks in my home. So here I'm trying several ways how to put the pieces together, and I did, I think, 3, maybe 4 different looks till I got the final look that I wanted. And the next step is to color code all the pieces so I can go ahead and paint them. Now, the color scheme in the original piece was actually one of the things that really draw me to the piece. So I am going to be using the same colors, a off-white, a light and a dark gray, the silver and gold. Now, this look is definitely for less. I didn't go out and buy anything. I used everything I had on hand, so it didn't cost me anything. Now, the 4 gold pieces I'm going to be covering with this gold leaves, and it is the first time I'm using this. And you guys, this was really intense because it didn't come in like a one whole sheet, but just like small pieces. So I had to pick and select each pieces to stick onto the pieces of cardboard. and it really did take me a long time to finish, but I am really loving the end result and I absolutely love this product. So I think I'm going to be using it a lot more in my DIYs. Now once the pieces were dry, I took a little brush and brushed off all the excess gold leaves. Because of the moisture in the paints, the cardboard was curling up a bit, so I left them for a few hours under a stack of heavy books. Now that everything is dry and nice and flat, I can put them all together. And before I started painting, I did take a picture of how I wanted them with my phone so I can recreate the look again. And to be honest, I think that everything looks really dull. And as you can see, the dark gray, I did add some texture to it. And the silver parts are missing here because I am adding some silver leaves to them as well, so to bring just a bit more contrast and dimension. Now I was going through my stash to see what else I can use, and I found this bag of gold crumbs. They're plastic, I'm not sure what they are, and I thought I would add them to some of the pieces to give again a little bit more dimension, some more structure that is much needed. And at first I thought I would add it to the gray and then paint over it again, but after I started adding it to the gray, and I thought it was so pretty, so I decided not to paint over it and just leave it as is. Now you guys, I am a very visual person. I really need to see something in the space before I decide whether I like it or not. And a piece of wall art like this is quite big, so I think it is better for me to try to visualize it like this. And I often buy things and afterwards I decided they don't fit in my space. So that is a tip for you. If you decide to buy, if you like something big, you can try to recreate it and see if it fits and it suits your home before you actually go out and buy it. The final step in this DIY is to glue down all the pieces together, and for that I am using my hot glue gun. Now we've almost come to the end of this video, so I want to take this time to thank Yami again for hosting this wonderful challenge, and I absolutely hope that I will be able to participate in future Look for Less challenges. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Arelis and I'm so happy that you decided to stop by. Here on my channel, I do mostly home decor. I like to do DIYs every now and then and thrift hauls. And because of the corona crisis, of course, I wasn't able to go out thrifting, but I hope to bring you some new thrift hauls very soon. So if you like this type of content, I would absolutely love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. Now here is the final look, and I am absolutely loving how this turned out. And to be honest, I wasn't expecting it to look so cute. Well, I think mostly because I went back in and added some extra texture, some extra dimension. Using those gold flakes were a good addition. They really made this piece stand out. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think? So I am so happy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Now for now, I want to thank you all so much for watching. And I see you again in my next one really soon. Until then, always remember to live, laugh, love and stay safe. Bye!